Cheetah, thanks. Turning now to the West Coast, where Tropical Storm Hilary is dumping rain on Southern California.
That rain, coupled with high winds, is leading to severe flooding in parts of the state. This video in Santa Clarita shows the flooding that caused part of a road to collapse. And this morning, several areas across Southern California are now under flash flood warnings.
CBS News correspondent Michael Spencer is joining us live from San Clemente, California. Michael, what kind of impact are you seeing right now where you are?
Well, good morning, Dave and Steph. It's pretty quiet where I am right now. We did see some pretty significant rain and wind move through starting at about 6 o'clock yesterday evening until about 1 o'clock this morning. But I can tell you up north, we're about 60 miles south of LA. The National Weather Service in LA has extended its flash flood warning for LA, Glendale, and Santa Clarita. That will be in effect until 8 o'clock this morning, and that's what they're really worried about, is all of this flash flooding. As you guys just mentioned, they're getting a lot of rain in a very short amount of time, and they're worried about that throughout parts of the Southwest today.
And Michael, Southern California is dealing with that storm, but also the aftermath of an earthquake that happened there. Are the two connected?
You know, what we have been hearing is that they're not. That's what meteorologists have been telling us this morning, is that the two aren't connected. And obviously when you have a storm like Hilary, the first named storm to hit California in nearly 84 years, and then you have an earthquake, you certainly would think that maybe they are, but maybe just a coincidence that you have a once-in-a-generation storm followed by a 5.1 earthquake. We're about 100 miles south of that earthquake, and in talking to people here today and yesterday after that earthquake happened right about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it was probably 50-50 in terms of people who felt that earthquake down here in San Clemente and those who didn't feel that earthquake. I personally didn't feel it. My photographer, who I've been working with here, Eric Bloomer, told me that he did feel it, but it does not appear that those two were connected.
Yeah, terrible coincidence there. Michael Spencer live for us this morning in Southern California. Thank you.